If you want to copy your Twitter, now known as X, profile link quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to grab your X profile URL so you can share it anywhere, whether that's in a bio, a message, an email, or on another social platform. This is a super simple process, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to X. You can type in x.com directly into the address bar and press enter. Once the X homepage loads, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll see several options, including Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and Profile. Click on Profile. This will take you to your personal X profile page, where your username, posts, and profile details are displayed. Now, look at the top of your browser window and click inside the address bar. This is the long bar at the top that shows the website address. When you click it, the full profile link will become highlighted automatically. This highlighted URL is your direct X profile link, and it's the exact link you can share with anyone who wants to visit your profile. With the URL selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command and C instead. Once copied, you can paste the link anywhere you need it by pressing Ctrl and V or Command and V on Mac. And that's it. You've now copied your Twitter, or X, profile link in just a few easy steps. It's a small task, but it's really useful when you want to share your profile quickly and professionally. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.